Welcome to Invest Connect. I'm Carl, creator of the Why Theory. Here we break down the mindset and behavior behind smart financial decisions. Let's get started.
Universal Basic Income, UBI, is no longer a fringe idea. It's becoming a practical response to a world where work is being reshaped by automation, and automation is accelerating faster than expected. AI isn't just replacing repetitive tasks, it's moving into legal research, medical diagnostics, coding, design, logistics, customer support, and financial analysis. Entire job categories are being compressed, merged, or eliminated. Governments know this. Corporations know this, and workers feel it. As automation grows, traditional employment becomes less reliable. UBI provides a predictable baseline, a buffer against job displacement, a stabilizer for consumer spending, a way to reduce poverty without complex welfare systems. Cities and countries have launched pilots, these being monthly payments, unconditional income, digital disbursement, along with targeted experiments. But what were the results? People spend more on essentials, education, and health, not on harmful habits. In a world where machines do more, humans shift toward creativity, caregiving, entrepreneurship, community roles, and personal development. UBI becomes the foundation that allows people to explore these paths without fear. But UBI alone doesn't create wealth. It creates stability, and stability is only the starting point. So then where does tokenization come into play? Tokenization is the second half of this transformation. If UBI is the income layer, tokenization is the opportunity layer. Tokenization turns assets into software, so therefore a tokenized asset is programmable, divisible, and instantly transferable. A tokenized asset is globally accessible, transparent, and fully automated. This is not a new asset class. It's a new format for existing assets. Every major asset class becomes accessible. Tokenization applies to real estate, government bonds, and private equity. Tokenization applies to infrastructure, renewable energy, and even art. Tokenization applies to commodities and intellectual property. The use cases are endless. Anything with value can be fractionalized. Settlement becomes instant. No more T+2, no more clearing houses, no more reconciliation or counterparty risk. A tokenized transaction settles the moment it's executed. Compliance becomes code. Smart contracts enforce KYC and AML. Smart contracts enforce jurisdiction rules, investor eligibility, and even transfer restrictions. Regulation becomes automated, not manual. Markets become global by default. A tokenized asset doesn't live in a country. It lives on a network. This is the first time in history that access to opportunity is not limited by geography. So what does that mean for us? UBI gives everyone the same starting point. Tokenization gives everyone access to the same opportunities, but what separates outcomes is ownership. Income keeps you alive, ownership moves you forward, income pays bills, ownership builds wealth. This has always been true, but tokenization makes it unavoidable. The new wealth gap will not be about salary. In a world where UBI exists, income becomes equalised. So what becomes the differentiator? Who owns assets? Who invests early? Who participates in global markets? Who builds passive income streams? Tokenization makes ownership frictionless. You don't need a broker, a bank, a financial advisor, a large deposit, a perfect credit score. You only need a wallet and a few dollars. The person who invests even a small portion of UBI wins long term. Imagine two people receiving the same UBI. One spends 100%, one invests 10% into tokenized assets. After 10 years, their lives look nothing alike. Ownership compounds and consumption doesn't. So let's delve a little deeper into how you can be on the right side of UBI and tokenization. UBI covers survival. Investing builds freedom. UBI pays for food, rent, utilities, and essentials. But investing pays for travel, education, home ownership, retirement, and generational wealth. UBI is the floor. Investing is the ladder. Tokenization removes barriers that once protected the wealthy. In the old system, private equity required $250,000 minimum. Real estate required mortgages and bonds required brokers. Global markets required special accounts. Tokenization removes all of that. Now you can invest $5 in high-quality real estate, $10 in fine art, or even gold. $20 can buy into renewable energy. $50 buys private equity, which was never possible before. The gatekeepers are gone and opportunities will be endless. The wealth gap will be defined by ownership, not income. When income becomes universal, the only difference is who invests, who delays gratification, who builds assets, and who participates in global markets. This is the new literacy. Tokenized assets will generate automated income, and this is the biggest shift. Tokenized assets can pay micro dividends, distribute interest instantly, share revenue in real time with automate payouts. Passive income becomes accessible to everyone, not just the wealthy. Global markets become local. A person in a small town can invest in a solar farm in Kenya, a logistics hub in Singapore, a startup in California, or even a bond issued in Tokyo. The world becomes investable. The cost of not investing becomes higher. In a tokenized world, assets grow, income stays flat, inflation continues, and automation accelerates. If you don't invest, you fall behind, not because you're irresponsible, but because the system rewards ownership. So let's look at the psychology of this financial shift. UBI plus tokenization creates a new psychological landscape. People will face a choice every month: consume everything or own something. Most will choose consumption. A few will choose ownership. Over time, the difference becomes exponential. Investing becomes a mindset, not a skill. You don't need financial education. You don't need market knowledge. You don't need complex strategies. You only need the habit of investing small amounts consistently. Tokenization makes investing feel natural. When assets are digital, simple, fractional, and automated, then investing becomes as normal as paying a subscription, and the emotional reward shifts. People begin to value ownership, progress, passive income, long-term thinking. This is a cultural shift. So finally, what will personal investing mean for you in the changing financial world? In a tokenized world, personal investing becomes more than a financial activity. It becomes a form of identity. Not investing becomes riskier than investing. Your portfolio becomes a reflection of your values. Your portfolio becomes a reflection of your goals. Your portfolio becomes a reflection of your vision for the future. UBI gives stability. Investing gives freedom. You're no longer limited by your job or your location. In a digital economy, ownership is influence, and investors shape the future. So we've come to the end of the video. What are your thoughts on the future global financial shifts? Comment below. Thanks for watching the whole video. Feel free to browse our library of similar investing and technology-themed videos here on YouTube. Also visit us at www.investconnect.com for more of the same content, including videos, blogs, and much more. See you over there.